Hello guys, I am Hed Barasra. Today we solve LeetCode question 2235. Add two integers. Here given two integers number 1 and number 2 and return the sum of the two integers. Here given two example. First example is input is equal number 1 is equal 12 and number 2 is equal 5 and this example output is 17. And second example is input is number 1 is equal minus 10 and number 2 is equal 4 and output of this example minus 6. So we start a code. Return number 1 plus number 2. Run this code and this is second output and this is first example output. So submit this code.